All right, here it is on Monday morning, 8 o'clock. Got up about 6:30, checked, be sure everybody's online, and I saw a site saying offline. And just like clockwork, 8 o'clock, I started getting text messages and phone calls. My internet's out. Told them, I said, there's an outage in that area. And then I started investigating to find out why it was out. I called the one that gives us internet, Spectrum. They said they can log into their modem, their equipment. But don't matter what command they send, like to do a remote restart or anything like that, they can't get any response, but they can see that it's got power. I called the office at that location. I can't get no response there, but that was like 7 o'clock. They didn't pick up the phone. They didn't respond back to texts. They're probably sleeping in. That's fine. I was just trying to save myself a trip. But I'm heading out there now to power cycle the modem and see if we can get it to come back online, and then plug our equipment back in and see if everybody lights back up. But this is just part of owning a WISP business. You never know when it's going to have a hiccup. And I looked into the log of the router at that site, and it says it's been offline ever since 2:45 this morning. Usually 2 o'clock, usually that means that Spectrum has done an update, or they've been doing something in that area, because they told me when I got my first, they said the only time they do maintenance, or at least they try to do their maintenance or updates or anything like that, is between midnight and 6 in the morning. And I've had some modems, after they do that, they have to be manually power cycled. Not that often, I would say maybe like 4 times out of a year, but very, very few, slim to none. But for some reason, this one is out. It's got power. It's happened before at this site, and it might have been a power surge that locked it up. That's what happened last time. So I'm just going to ride out there and power cycle it and see if that solves the problem. If not, they said they'll send out a tech, but we'll see. All right, here we are at the box. Let's see which key it's going to take. Power cycle. Get out of weight cord. See if that does it. All right, everything is back up online, and it shows everybody is getting reconnected. So we're done here. Seems like that's all it needed, just power cycle it. Good, a 1 hour round trip just to unplug and plug back in the device. Lovely. But that's the way it goes sometimes. See you on the next one.